Good morning, traders. It is 6:31 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's actually 9:30 p.m. to me where I'm currently at. So it's Friday night to me, and I am going to do some trading. I could make it in for Friday here to trade. I'm just waiting for the computer to let me know which direction it wants to go, whether it wants to continue to go up or whether it wants to go down. And as soon as it lets me know, I'm going to take a trade and I'll come back and show it to you. By the way, just to show that this isn't some sort of a replay, I have Googled atomic clock. I'm now going to click on this link here. It's time.gov. It's official government time website. It's going to synchronize the time here. Take a second for it to do it. And it's going to tell us the date and time. Synchronizing now. It's Friday, February 26, 2016. It's 6:32 a.m. and 50 seconds. Now this is very close to what I've got. Mine's a few seconds behind, about 10 seconds behind right now. I got 6:32 a.m. and 6:33, so I'm like 10 seconds behind right there. Anyway, I just wanted to show that this is the official time. It's 6:30 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. I'm now going to take some trades and do some trading. This isn't any sort of a replay, as you know, some people want to claim it is. By the way, the people who are doing this, it's all a conspiracy basically. They are doing this on purpose so that people won't learn of the truth, which is that all of the markets are controlled by a computer. These people, for whatever reason, don't want people to know. Anyway, I'm going to come back. I'm going to start doing some trading. I am going to take the trade that I called out in my charting service before it would ever even happen, and I'm going to take it here. I'm just waiting for the computer to let me know which way it wants to go. I'll be right back. Okay, I've taken a short position. I adjusted the stop a little bit higher. 21.31 takes me to 20. I've adjusted it to 41, so that's a 30 tick stop on this particular one. It's necessary in order to avoid getting stopped out, but it'll make it. It should make it 70 ticks just like it did yesterday very, very easily. I'll come back. Just to again prove the time, it is now 6:43 a.m. And you can see here that I took the trade at 6:41 a.m. and this is 6:43 right here. This proves that this is the real time right here. There's no way to fake time.gov website. Okay? It's not any sort of a replay. Anybody who would say something like that is obviously being disingenuous, because there's no such a thing as doing a replay and then taking trades off of it. At least not that I'm aware of. Maybe there is such a thing, but I've never seen it, and I've never even seen a replay before in my entire life. My whole trading career, I've never seen a replay. I mean, I don't see the reason for it. You either, want to trade or you don't. Replay doesn't do anything. It would be far better just to, practice trading, whatever. You don't need to do a replay. That way you already know what it's going to do, or whatever, I guess. There's no challenge there for you. If you wouldn't get anything right. I mean, when you don't know what it's going to do and you're able to get it right, then you've done something. Anyway, just want to prove it's not a replay. It's the real time. And it's just Friday in the morning. Friday at 6:45 in the morning right now. 6:45 Pacific Standard Time, California time. Anyway, I'm in the trade. I'll come back and show it to you. Should be easy 70 ticks. Just like yesterday. By the way, I did call this exact trade out in my charting service before it would ever even happen. Just like yesterday. Okay, I just wanted to show really quick that it's getting very close here. It just has to make it down to the 41 for 70 ticks. Also, to again prove that this isn't some sort of a replay, you can see now that the time is 7:10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is coming from time.gov. There's no possible way that this can be a replay. I know that this seems too good to be true, but it is true. And the whole secret behind it is the fact that a computer is controlling all of the financial instruments. I know that's weird, I know that's bizarre, I know it's strange. You know, when I first learned of it 10 years ago, it pretty much floored me too. It was a big wake-up call, it was a big shock. It was, you know, something that really opened up my eyes, obviously. But it's for me, it's been 10 years. So, you know, I've had a lot of time to think about it, and a lot of time to come to that realization. And, you know, it's not a super big thing to me anymore. Although I do know that it is a big thing, and I do understand how for other people it's a big thing when they first learn of it. You know, they first learn of it, it pretty much floors them, that what I show to them in my video courses, and they're pretty amazed by it. And you know, anyway, I called this trade out in advance before it would ever happen in my charting. I took the same trade yesterday and made 70 ticks very easily. Anyway, I'll come back shortly. It won't take that much longer. It'll be down to the 41 exit, and I'll be out for 70 ticks and done for the night. I now currently have 10:12 p.m. Friday, where I'm currently located in the world. Anyway, I'll come back shortly. Oh, by the way, some people ask me, well, why do you say you have it that time, but the clock says it's this time? Well, it's because I have my clock on my computer set to Pacific Standard Time, because this is where I'm originally from, and it helps me to think in that time. If I start thinking in my current time, it sort of messes me up a bit, because I'm not used to trading from here. So it helps me to think in my own time. Helps me to know what the right time is when the market the USA opens, you know, basically at 6 o'clock in the morning, pretty much. Anyway, it just helps me to trade. Anyway, I'll come back shortly. It won't take that much longer to make it to the exit, I'm sure. Okay, it's getting very close here to the exit. Within 10 ticks. Should make it very quickly. I'll come back. Okay, I'm out for the 70 ticks. An easy 70 ticks again. So I am done for the day here and for the week. I'm going to actually get going now. I've got somewhere to go. But I hope that you traders out there are doing well, especially you, my charting members. I hope you guys nailed the trade. It was very simple. I used the breakout technique exactly as described. And the call was the exact same as yesterday. Piece of cake. Very simple. Okay, I'm going to go. Have a good weekend, everybody. And happy trading. See you next week.